The main idea from the video is that the stories that our children are learning are no longer coming from churches, parents, teachers, or leaders, but they're coming from the media that they're consuming in the television, which happens to be on most of the day. The video explains that violence on the screen has become so popular because it requires no true creativity. Also, um, violence on the screen is easily marketable globally compared to other forms of media. It's also an expression of male power, which isn't shocking because most producers are men, and men outnumber women in film 3 to 1. He also spoke about how violence gets progressively worse as shows and movies progress. And I looked up the John Wick movies to see if there was a pattern. And in the first movie, John Wick killed 77 people, which is crazy. In the second movie, he killed 128 people, which I thought that was so interesting to see that the correlation of the pattern from the guy in the video to the movies actually was true. And at first thought, to answer your question on which ethical perspective comes to mind, the ethical perspective of utilitarianism could be used to solve this dilemma of violence in the media. The theory focuses on overall happiness, and the perspective would assess the impact of violence in terms of overall consequences on society. If we deem that excessive violence in media leads to harmful effects such as desensitization, increased aggression, or societal unrest, then putting sanctions or restrictions on violent media would be warranted and ethical. Thank you.